If you want to change theme on POCO F7 Pro, then you can simply use the Themes app that we have, for example, over here in the home screen, or of course in the app drawer. So once we open themes, you should be able to immediately find some example themes. For example, over here we have some free themes. You can also use any of these categories if you wish to. For example, we can go to top and we can use any of these that we like the most. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. We have the preview of the theme, and if you like the theme, then we can press download. Now, in addition to that, we can customize the theme before we apply it. So if you go to customize, we can choose what you want to apply. So by default, of course, we have everything selected, but let's say if you like the icons only, then you can uncheck everything except for icons and keep it like that. So if you press apply, you might sometimes see compatibility issues, especially if the theme was created for some older versions, but you can still press got it and you should still be able to use the theme. And there we go, this is how it looks like. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!